Pisces Tarot reading, September 2025. Let's lay out the Pisces cards on the table. 8 of Cups, 7 of Cups, Star, Knight of Swords, Page of Cups, 3 of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Moon, World, King of Cups, Justice, Devil, 10 of Swords, 9 of Cups, Ace of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, Lovers, Knight of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, Criticism card, Acquisition card, Sphinx card, Talisman, Fulfillment card. September 2025 marks a period of profound transformation for Pisces, where planetary energy aligns to offer unique opportunities for personal growth and spiritual fulfillment. This complete 22-card reading reveals the paths to be taken, the challenges to be overcome, and the victories to come. Prepare for a journey of self-discovery and conscious manifestation. You are at a significant moment of transition, represented by the 8 of Cups. This card indicates that you are leaving behind situations, relationships, or projects that no longer serve your higher purpose. This is not an escape, but a conscious choice to seek something more authentic and meaningful. The energy of the 8 of Cups suggests that you have come a long way, and now feel the need to move forward, toward new horizons. This voluntary renunciation is a sign of spiritual and emotional maturity. Trust this intuition to move forward, as it is guiding you exactly where you need to be. The 7 of Cups appears as your greatest current challenge, representing the illusions and temptations that can obscure your vision. This card shows that you are faced with numerous possibilities and choices, some of which may seem obvious, but which do not necessarily lead to the achievement of goals. The challenge here is to develop discernment, to distinguish between what is real and sustainable versus what is merely a passing fantasy. The decisions you make during this period will have a significant impact on your future, so it's essential to keep your feet on the ground and your heart open to the truth. The Star emerges as your primary spiritual counsel, offering hope, inspiration, and divine guidance. This card encourages you to maintain faith in yourself and the universe, even in the face of current uncertainties. The Star is a card of healing, renewal, and conscious manifestation. Make your requests to the universe sincerely and clearly. Visualize your interests with an open heart and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. The energy of the Star reminds you that you possess all the inner tools possible to create the life you desire. Stay connected to your sources of inspiration and don't allow discouragement to shake your faith. Your path to love is represented by 2 powerful cards working in harmony. The Knight of Swords indicates the need for direct action, honesty, and clarity in relationships. This is the time to express your true feelings, communicate your needs, and make loving decisions that honor both yourself and others. The Page of Cups brings the promise of new emotional energy. This card suggests the possibility of genuine connections, important messages about relationships, or the emergence of deep and authentic feelings. Keep your heart open to receive love in unexpected ways. Professionally and financially, you are in a period of significant expansion. The 3 of Wands indicates that your previous efforts are beginning to bear fruit, and new opportunities for growth are presenting themselves. This is the time to look to the future and expand your horizons. The Queen of Pentacles reinforces the importance of developing financial responsibility and sound management practices. This card suggests that you are being called to adopt a more practical and earthly approach to your finances. Generosity combined with financial wisdom will be a powerful combination during this period. The Moon appears as your dominant spiritual card, diminishing a period of intense psychic and intuitive activity. Your connection to the world of dreams, intuitions, and subtle perceptions is particularly heightened this month. Pay attention to the messages that arrive through dreams, synchronicities, and sudden insights. Lunar energy also suggests the need to trust your inner wisdom, even when things don't seem clear on the surface. True understanding comes through patience, introspection, and faith in your inner process. Stay connected to your spiritual practices and allow intuitive wisdom to guide your steps. The final card in your reading is the World, one of the most auspicious arcana of the tarot. This card indicates the successful completion of an important cycle in your life, accompanied by complete fulfillment and integration of all the lessons learned. The world suggests that you are preparing to reap the fruits of your work and commitment. This card also represents the achievement of your deepest goals and the manifestation of your most sincere desires. The universe is registering your efforts and is dedicated to rewarding you with success and satisfaction. Prepare to celebrate your achievements and embrace the fulfillment that lies ahead. The King of Cups represents your inner strength and ability to balance emotions with wisdom. This card indicates that you possess impressive emotional awareness and the ability to navigate the turbulent waters of feelings without being swept away by the current. Your inner strength lies in the ability to feel deeply without losing control, to love unconditionally without losing yourself, and to understand others without wronging yourself. The King of Cups encourages you to lead with your heart, but with the wisdom of someone who has walked difficult paths and learned from them. Justice appears as your fundamental karmic lesson, reinforcing the importance of balance, honesty, and responsibility for the choices you make. This card reminds you that every action has a corresponding outcome, and that the universe is always working to restore balance. Your lesson here is to learn to make fair decisions, both for yourself and for others. Justice also suggests that you may receive what you deserve as a result of past choices. Accept these lessons with grace and use them as guidance for future decisions. The Devil appears as a hidden energy that needs to be recognized and transformed. This card does not represent evil, but rather the limiting patterns, addictions, and attachments that may be hindering your growth. The Devil is here to remind you of the importance of self-control and conscious release. Recognize which areas of your life require more awareness and discipline. This is not a letter of judgment, but an opportunity to break the chains you created yourself. True liberation comes from understanding, not brute force. The Ten of Swords represents a profound and necessary transformation in your life. This card indicates the end of an important cycle, accompanied by temporary pain, but essential for rebirth. The energy of the Ten of Swords suggests that something needs to symbolically die, so that something new can be born. Do not fear this transformation, for it is clearing the way for a more authentic and powerful version of yourself. The pain is temporary, but the lessons and growth that come from it are permanent. Allow yourself to go through this process of death and rebirth with grace and courage. The Nine of Cups emerges as an auspicious opportunity, bringing the promise of emotional fulfillment and the manifestation of sincere desires. This card indicates that you are in a favorable period to receive exactly what you asked the universe for, especially regarding your personal happiness. The energy of the Nine of Cups suggests that the new universe is responding to your concerns and working to bring you situations and people that contribute to your emotional fulfillment. Stay open to receiving and celebrating the victories that are coming. The Ace of Swords indicates a period of exceptional mental clarity and the ability to make sound decisions. This card suggests that you are receiving important insights and understandings that can change your perspective on important situations. Your communication will be particularly effective during this period, and your words carry weight and meaning. Use this energy to resolve conflicts, express important truths, and make decisions based on clear understandings. Truth, when spoken with compassion, has the power to transform entire situations. The Two of Pentacles indicates your natural ability to balance multiple projects and constant adaptation. This card suggests that you are in a dynamic period where flexibility and creativity are essential for success. Your creativity is particularly heightened, and you have the ability to juggle multiple ideas and projects simultaneously. The Two of Pentacles encourages you to maintain momentum without losing your inner balance. The key is to flow with change rather than resist it. The Lovers appear as a powerful indicator for your romantic future, indicating the possibility of a conscious and meaningful choice in relationships. This card indicates that you may be facing an important decision about love, or that a harmonious partnership is approaching. The energy of the Lovers also suggests the importance of selecting your romantic choices with your deepest and most deeply held values in mind. True love requires commitment, honesty, and the courage to choose with an open heart. The Knight of Pentacles appears as your card of protection, bringing the promise of stability, security, and the arrival of someone trustworthy in your life. This card indicates that protective forces are working in your favor, especially regarding material and emotional security. The energy of the Knight of Pentacles suggests that you can expect concrete results from previous efforts and the manifestation of reliable support when you need it most. Keep the faith and continue working consistently, as the reward is near. The Three of Pentacles reveals how you are perceived by others, as someone who works well in a team, who contributes significantly to collective projects, and who deserves recognition for their skills and dedication. This card indicates that your commitment is growing, and that others are confirming your worth. Use this energy to collaborate with others more consciously, and to seek opportunities where your work can be appreciated and valued. Your contribution is more significant than you realize. The criticism card represents a hidden fear that may be limiting your potential, the fear of judgment and excessive self-criticism. This card suggests that you may be being harder on yourself than necessary, allowing outside voices to interfere with your confidence. Recognize that perfection doesn't exist and that growth comes through practice and self-compassion. Constructive criticism can be helpful, but destructive self-deprecation only limits your ability to shine. The acquisition card reveals a deep, hidden desire to receive something or someone special that is meant for you. This card suggests that the universe is presenting a significant victory to enter your life, whether in the form of a person, opportunity, or resource. Stay open to receive and trust that divine timing is perfectly aligned. What you sincerely desire is on its way, but it may arrive in unexpected ways. The combination of the lone wolf and divine intelligence offers profound spiritual advice. Connect with your inner wisdom and authentic wild nature. This combination suggests that you need to trust your animal intuition and ancestral wisdom to navigate this period. Divine intelligence is available to you through stillness, connection with nature, and attentive listening to the messages of the universe. Allow yourself to be guided by the higher wisdom that resides within you. The Sphinx card, representing the energy of the eclipse in Pisces, emphasizes the importance of choosing your words carefully and deciphering the mysteries that are unfolding. This card suggests that important messages are being conveyed through symbols, synchronicities, and subtle communications. Pay attention to the words you choose, as they have the power to create reality. The Sphinx energy also suggests that you are being called to solve spiritual enigmas and understand hidden truths. The final combination of the Talisman and the Fulfillment card indicates that your destiny is being manifested through conscious effort and alignment with higher powers. This exchange suggests that you are in tune with your life mission and that success is assured. The Talisman represents your connection to protective and auspicious energies, while the Fulfillment card confirms that your deepest goals are manifesting. Continue with dedication and confidence, for you are on the right path. September 2025 offers Pisces a unique opportunity for complete transformation and personal fulfillment. Through consciously relinquishing what no longer serves you, the mental clarity provided by honest communication, and connecting with inner wisdom, you are being guided toward a more authentic and powerful version of yourself. The key to maximizing this energy is to maintain faith, choose wisely, and allow yourself to reap the victories the universe is generating. Trust the process, honoring your intuitive nature, and remember that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise for growth and fulfillment. The future shines with promises of genuine love, professional success, financial stability, and spiritual fulfillment. Keep your heart open, your mind clear, and continue moving forward with courage and grace. The best is yet to come.